It's day 2. It's 12:30. The boys are up and getting pizza and salad. You already know what it is. Mocha latte on deck. 3 seats. Today is just gonna let them get wet, do all the things, all the activities, run around.
I'm hoping the slides aren't packed, but see that.
And I'll even jump in the pool.
Yeah, you're gonna jump in the pool with your pizza face?
Yeah.
Okay. Day 2, let's get it started. Oh, also, you already know what it is. Go Birds. Johnny boy.
This is.
I think this is number 3, right?
No, this is my second one.
This is only number 2?
I only have one.
Well, listen, we're gonna review the footage. We'll see which number where everyone's on, but we're here. Pretty sure this is number. I think it's number 3 for me. Number 2. Living life, loving it, loving it. First sea day, that main pool deck was crazy. Take the boys to Thrill Island. See how busy it is back here. Quick update on the Star, September 13th sailing. So they've got the piece replaced on the drop slide, but it is still not running right now. So the piece is replaced, the plexiglass is gone, but it is still not operational right now. I'll see if I can get info, see when it's actually running, but it is not running right now. All right, are you gonna go down the slide? You wanna go see the water? You wanna see the splash pad? All right, hurry up, go, and then we'll go to the splash pad. Do it for the gram. All righty. As expected, Surfside is crazy right now on this first sea day. We're gonna go duck hunting with the boys for now. We'll wait till it kind of thins out a little bit out here. Our original plan anyway was to try to hit these spots during port days when everyone gets off the boat anyway. So we're just trying to keep the boys occupied. You know where we wanna go. We can't take them with us, so. You ready? Then we got the big kid over here.
I might be a little bit too big for this, but
Nah,
you're never too old to have fun.
no. Uh-oh. Here's our duck haul so far on day 2. Found some pretty cool ones. Asa found one from an April of 2024 sailing here on the Icon, which is dope. And so we got pretty good. We'll keep hunting though. Jimmy said no worries. No worries. All right. 10-10, half time. Let's see how this goes.
Yes. No.
4 ice creams.
That's number 4 for you?
4 as well.
I think something like that.
Whenever me and Asa went to get food, we secretly got one. Without that.
See. Your boy's going with the swirl. There you go. Oh, look at that, beautiful.
There you go.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Big ups. Eagles win. Couple offside penalties that didn't call, but we didn't see those. Go Birds. Currently 11 o'clock at night, we're at AquaDome Market because we've been eating all day. They've got the mix coming out of the fountain machines on 1,000 right now. Diabetes in a cup hits the back of your throat like, oh! You know what I'm saying? Like, it's rough.
You can tell just how deep.
The color of it, the deep, that's the fruit there.
Straight syrup.
AquaDome Market, 11 o'clock at night. If you want diabetes, if you're low, if your blood sugar's low, come to the AquaDome Market, 11 o'clock at night. Golly. I know what you're thinking. Like, I know you guys ain't back at the AquaDome Market. Look, here's the deal. We already went to the Windjammer. By the way, day 3.
I want to get pizza.
Sea day, second sea day in a row. We already went to the Windjammer
Get pizza.
for breakfast / brunch / lunch. I'm not impressed by the Windjammer, by the way. Had a couple of the different, Granny had shrimp and rice, and I had meatloaf and steak, and kids had, the steak had burgers and fries and hot dogs and stuff like that, and eggs, and it was alright, you know what I mean? I could probably not go to the Windjammer. Also, we did it on the Star. It's only day 3. We haven't gone to main dining. Main dining staff will call you if you haven't shown up for any of the dinners and ask you, like, hey, are you coming? Which I did not know. I guess up until this point, we had just always at least attempted to go. So there's that. yeah, they will call you and say, hey, what are you doing? Like, what's going on? Are you coming to dinner or not? Day 3, what do we got planned today? We have got the Wizard of Oz at 3 o'clock, and we've got the Crown's Edge this afternoon. Are you with these two yahoos? Hopefully the weather clears up. It's looking a little out there, but we'll see. We'll get a rain check if there is. So let's go see what the Wizard of Oz is about. 2 o'clock, we're about to head down there in a minute and try to get some seats. You already know. So just like on Back to the Future, we can't record in here. So we will let y'all know afterwards how good Wizard of Oz on Icon of the Seasons.
I'm hungry.
Of course, we had to come get the Maniac Pizza, but we just left from the Wizard of Oz, and it's pretty good. It's not as good as Back to the Future on the Star, but it is a really good show, really good production, really good performers, really good singers. The vocal quality is good. The set design is incredible. Wizard of Oz, really good. Not as good as Back to the Future on the Star.
But only like about half a point.
Yeah, like we're talking like the difference between an 11 and a 10.5. Crown's Edge was a no-go. It's too windy. At 6:30 at night, we're going to transition. We're going to do the slides at night. So the little guy is going to stay here with mom and annoy the shit out of her. We're going to go do some nighttime sliding, and then we'll be back after that. Can't take you. They don't allow action cameras or anything. We're going to have fun. We had to find a spot to play Keepy Uppy, keep these kids busy. We came to the Overlook during the Aqua show, so we didn't have to worry about how loud it was with them laughing and giggling.
We found air conditioning, and watch behind it. It's literally just fun. Yeah, it's fun.
Hey, so you're not going to bust that backflip for me?
I can try it. Yay, backflip!
It's a little bit harder on the boot of both.
Good job, buddy. Silent party on the Promenade. This is how you do it. Surfside at night when it's empty.
This is where all the kids are in the morning and in the afternoon, and right now, literally no one.
It's a vibe back here, though. Okay, all the pretty girls walk like this. Day 4 on the Icon of the Seas. We're in overcast St. Martin. We've already had an interesting start to the morning. Kane ran on the elevator, and we were waiting for an older couple to get on the elevator, and the elevator door closed, and he went all the way down from deck 15 to deck 5 by himself on the elevator. Needless to say, your boy was parkouring down the stairs to try to catch him. That was fun. It's noon. It's 1 o'clock right now, I think. Yeah, 1:30. So just getting off the boat, walking around the shops real quick. Just wanted to get off, show the boys what St. Martin looked like with its crazy mountains and mountain ranges. It's pretty freaking dope. St. Martin feels like a cartoon island. So it's beautiful out here. We're gonna walk around the shops a little bit. There's really nothing we need to get. Just wanted to get off the boat for a second. So if you guys remember, we were actually in St. Martin on our honeymoon cruise back in February, and I'll post that above one of the sides. No, it should be this side. I think the card will be on this side. Anyway, I'll post our honeymoon cruise in St. Martin. We did the Sea Trek adventure. We're not doing any excursions this time. Sean and I are going diving in St. Thomas tomorrow, but for right now, we're just here. We had a potty break for the little guy. I do wish we did get an excursion to kind of drive around the island. It's all good. Somebody's tuckered out. We weren't even out here this long. It's really not even that bad. It's not that hot. I mean, it's hot, but it's not that hot. I think he was overstimulated from his elevator adventures. Back on the ship, headed to Surfside. I do want to update you guys. Yesterday when we were on our way to the Crown's Edge, before we figured out that it was canceled, we did get an ice cream, so you need to add one to the count for myself. We're gonna get one right now. That's what made me think about it.
Dad, Kane's got some type of curse. Tell me why it's already melting.
Because it's hot. Surfside did not work out. These kids, or at least a little, did not want to get on the splash pad. So we're just killing time, walking through Central Park, figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We got nothing planned. We might do a little rock climbing later tonight. It cools off. That's the best time to do anything, at night anyway. Finally made it to the park cafe. I built my own salad. Brandy got the roast beef. It's delicious, full of flavor. I might go back and get the roast beef and make a Kimmelwick sandwich.
Give me that, and I got chips. It's time to go to sleep.
Afternoon nap time.
I got fruit. I'm not on a diet, but it's pretty good.
This guy body shaming over here.
Give me that.
How my body shaming?
I'm hungry.
Out here on 5 Dragons. 100 free games. If I re-trigger, it's another 50 free games per re-trigger. So I just gotta get 3 coins. Saw it. Come on.
You already know.
So I want the vanilla all the time. So plain. We're keeping count for the vlog, so I got it recorded. My man. Another one.